Hey guys, my name's Jake. I am the other half of Autobiss. So here at Autobiss, I do all the paint corrections, ceramic coatings. I also do window tints and details, special request from a customer or a close friend preparing for a car show, Import Fest, or Slammed It Off Gatlinburg. A lot of people will reach out to me and they'll reach out to me for a polish or a coating. That's what I truly enjoy doing the most. Manage the day-to-day here at the shop. This is my home. It's where I spend most of my time. I genuinely love what I do here, and one of the biggest things I enjoy doing is making everyone's cars look like glass. In today's video, what we're going to be mainly discussing is the vehicle that I am currently sitting inside. This is my 2015 BMW 335i. There is a lot of sponsors behind this car. If I do forget anybody, I'm obviously sorry. We're going to step outside the car now. I'm going to take you guys on a little walk around. We're going to go over what mods it has, the work that's been done to it, how the paint looks the way it does. This is a 2015 individual BMW F30. As far as I know, according to BMW, it is one of two left in North America. A lot of people think the color is black, which is why I did all the carbon to kind of break it apart a little bit. It's almost like a brown, nice brown metallic. I honestly love this color. Obviously, what sticks out the most is the wheels. These are custom-made BBS RS2s. These wheels were done by JB. This is the 7th set of wheels that he has done for me. These were my dream wheels, and I'm very happy with how they turned out. 19 by 10 plus 5 front, and then 19 by 11 plus 10 in the rear. Perfect fitment. The fitment is extremely tight. Everything done stance-wise to this car is done by Hamza at Fitment Works. He got this car sitting very good for me. As you can see, the fitment is very tight. So they are a fully polished set of BBS RS2s. And then we have the flat caps done in copper. This is actual real copper. This isn't rose gold. This was done by a company out in Chicago. They had to be shipped out there just because copper plating and any chroming in Canada is now illegal. We have a full carbon fiber CSL hood. We got the carbon grills. We have the carbon fiber Varus lip. We have the carbon fiber mirror caps. Every piece of carbon fiber that is on this car was provided by Carbon Culture. If you guys are looking for any carbon fiber parts, that is the only place that I would go. If you use code WHATBAGS, which is my Instagram handle, you will get a very nice discount. We also have the carbon fiber CSL trunk. Then we have a full custom exhaust done by Hidden Performance and Exhaust. Any exhaust work you guys want, hit up Miguel. He will take care of you. The clear Euro tails. We have the BMW LCI headlights, as well as the yellow DRL module. These are OEM BMW LCI headlights. If you know, you know. So as far as engine work goes, the old owner, he was more of a performance guy, when I am obviously more of a stance guy. So I got pretty fortunate when it comes to this car. The car is full bolt-on stage 2 plus. It was just around 400 wheel, which is more than enough for me. The car sounds great. It's fast enough, and honestly, I love it. Very fun car. This is the BMW individual badge. The car is aired out on the floor. The suspension that we have is airlift 3P management. As far as the trunk setup goes, we are going to get that done by Fitment Works in the near future. But as of right now, we just got the tank, one compressor, the management. Super simple little setup. When it comes to the front, to get the fitment like this, we have the SPL lower control arms. The top hats have been cut and slotted. Right now, the front is sitting at -6 up front. The rear right now is sitting at about -9 aired out. And then at ride height, 5 degrees all around. The full front end has been covered with Expel paint protection film, which includes the front fenders, the bumper, the headlights, obviously the hood, The pillars, I got the door cups. The rear trunk has also been PPF'd. I've actually had a few people at car shows pick it because they're trying to figure out if the carbon fiber is real or not. Carbon fiber parts, they tend to haze really quickly. So what I like is I like to have them re-cleared. I always send it to a body shop first and then I get it PPF'd. As far as the paint, that has obviously been heavily paint corrected, and then it has been ceramic coated. FaneLab 5-year self-healing ceramic coating. It's an amazing coating, amazing product. Nothing but good things to say about FaneLab, and the car looks the way it does right now because of the FaneLab coating. If anyone knows, if you own 3-piece wheels, you know once in a while you're gonna snap some hardware. It just happens, it's a thing. It always tends to happen on the passenger side. I'm not sure why. One of the things that I like to do is I always like to be prepared. So I have an entire bag of copper plated hardware. Got all the bolts. We have the little nut for the back of the hardware. You can see all of these, they're all the exact same. So we're only gonna be needing one of these today. Okay, we are not going to use that one. Actually, no, this one's been compromised. This one we will keep as a souvenir. I did not open that correctly. I should have just stabbed a hole. There we go. All right, there, that works. So we got one, we got two. There we go, we're good. Slowly, 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 slowly.
A few minutes later.
All right, that's good enough. That's good enough to take the wheel off. All right, so first things first, let's take off the flat caps. They're a little bit annoying to get off. You kind of have to get your nail in there. There we go. Then they'll just spin off like that. Make sure you don't drop it. They always come off in pieces. And last one. I gotta take these off a little carefully so I don't nick my fender. All right. Then the one that we are going to be fixing is, I can't even see where it is. There it is, right there. So we are missing this piece of hardware here. Whenever I have my wheels off, I just like to check my tire wear. So we got a little bit, nothing too bad. If you're a stance guy, you know every single time your car is in the air, everyone's always checking their tire tread, their tire wear, seeing if they have any crack in the lip or the barrel. You just want to do your due diligence and always check so you don't debead, right? So 24 newton meters, there we go. Just connect that. A little bit of Loctite, come on, there we go. Should be good enough. Where did you go? Oh, it's right there, I see it. You're right by the airline. Right by the valve stem. There we go. Just gonna tighten it by hand a little. Alright, there we go. Yeah, right here. Right, there's the newest one. Alright. There we go. Just like that. She's replaced.
Perfect.
Now we just gotta slap these on. All right. Okay. It's under my leg. Alright, and last but not least, don't forget to torque your wheels. This is set at 90 foot-pounds. It's good enough for this. There's one more. Wait, I think it was this one I missed. Yeah, it was that one I missed. All right, and that's it. We're blessed. Cap on. Imagine waiting 2 years for a center cap to be done. GG's. All right, guys, and that is going to be it for today for the F30. Please drop a like, drop a sub, and let us know what you would like to see done next to this car or any other car we have to offer.